Very good morning, traders. I'm Nannakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I'm analyzing the Infosys stock just on 20th, last month 20th. It was from the falling, it gapped up to this level, 1544. And then from that 23rd onwards, last month 23rd onwards, the price started moving down. There was a bearish EP, EP was formed, and the price started trading below the EP. EP was formed at 1513. So 1513, let me mark this level and let me adjust with the coordinate 1513. This was the level. From that, market has come down. This is actually, it has come down to the support level from the breakout. You can see this level, and there is a rejection candle at this level. I am on the 4-hour chart, and if I see closely, there is transition. This, you can see the CPR coming down, coming down, coming down. Let me make this settings little bit go and make the candles little bit lighter body. Even the body also I'll make it lighter, and these are the borders. Let me make the borders black and the wicks black, both the wicks black, and let us see what has happened. You can see here on yesterday, near the support, near the breakout, the gap, there was a gap over here, and the CPR and price has gone to this level. Price has moved down to 1449, and then you can see CPR, all the CPR. This is previous day CPR aligning at the bottom, and yesterday's CPR, 4-hour CPR, aligned at the same level, indicating this is the consolidation zone. This zone is a consolidation zone, and the price levels to watch is 1467 to 1470. So if I see that an early transition can be noticed on this Infosys, reversal can be noticed. It may go because this is an after the fall, the market way is undergoing. It has gone here down, up. There may be down and up. It may consolidate. Let me go to the 15 minutes chart. You can see there was a V-shaped recovery from this bottom 1449, and the market has closed at the top. Any discount to the CPR level, this is the CPR level, any discount to the CPR level, market holds and starts trading above it, it can go up to 1480. So it is showing some sort of early reversal, and on an intraday basis, 1467 is the 1467. Let me label it 1467. If the price comes down here and if it starts moving, this may be a beautiful reversal. And if you see this is an engulfing pattern. Engulfing, it has engulfed, the price has engulfed like this down, and price has engulfed to the upside. Okay, so when such a situation is there, it is an outside bar has been formed, and any discount, when there is an outside bar, any discount either to 1462 or 1466, that is a retest of this level, and Nifty is preparing itself for an early transition. Let us check this. And market can Nifty, INFY, no, sorry, I'm talking about Nifty. INFY can move higher and it can even test this level 1489 to 1490, maybe the level it can go. So today's price action is very crucial. Just watch this stock. I've analyzed with the help of my rolling pivot, and CPR and the EP. EP is formed. See, you can see if I zoom out, there is a bullish EP is formed at 1479. When there is a bullish EP is formed at 1479, usually what happens, markets tries to come and retest and prove itself. So that is the idea. So now we need to see there is a bearish EP on this level. Bearish EP, let me check. Let me go there. And this is the bearish EP. That is the transition phase. So in between, suppose if the market dips down into the bearish EP, that is the level, you can mark it down to the level of this one, 1467. If it holds, comes down, gives the discount and reverses, that is a buying, intraday buying opportunity in the INFY to the target of, let me measure this move. We can anticipate this measured move in INFY to the target of 1490. 1490. So friends, this is how you can analyze with the rolling pivot, CPR, and why rolling pivot. Rolling pivots are very helpful, because um, if I hide some of the few indicators, just allow GAN-ELO and CPR, and if I enable only this one, rolling pivot, the price was rolling down and there was a transition from red to gray, gray turned to blue. So that is the reversal zone. This is the reversal zone, and from there market has climbed, one, balanced out, two, any dip to this second balance line, that is 1467, the trend can resume, and today you can keep this stock in your watch list to understand the price action with the rolling pivot. So it is showing a V-shaped recovery, engulfing bar, any retracement and proof holding these levels bearish. There is a bearish EP over here. This is the bearish EP. It has gone above the bearish EP, and a bullish EP is formed. Then if the price comes down and retests this bearish EP and reverses, that is a buying opportunity. That is the beauty of rolling pivots. You can trade very comfortably, very beautifully with the help of the rolling pivots. Why rolling pivots? Means they indicate the balance line. So if you go back and see, the price has moved above the previous balance line and closed above that. Any dip here, if you go back, this is the flip zone. You can see it flipped the red color
you can see flip to gray and transition. This is the flip level. 1470 to 1467 is a very good level to watch out and take the trade. Thank you very much, friend. Nalinakshi Swami signing off. It is just for analysis. I'm making this stock, and you too can watch the price action, how beautifully you can understand the price action with the help of rolling pivot. Rolling pivots are very beautiful uh, thing. And you can track, you can enter, you will get an early entry with confirmation and conviction. See, I am changing the time frame to 30. If I change the time frame to 30, auto time frame adjust to daily. So the price is above the auto time frame daily, and you can see there was a descending rolling pivot with red color, and you can see that this is the very brief blue color. So market can go past this level and it can test that level. So now uh, this is the level, this is the pivot, consolidation, breakdown. This is a classic type of this one. If I apply the volume profile to this area, let me apply the volume profile. The point of control is here around 1470. So beautifully point of control is aligning here, and the value area, value, you can see all these things so beautifully. Volume wise also there is alignment. So rolling pivot is the reflection of buyers and sellers. You can easily make out who is dominating in the market. So sellers were dominated and sellers have been squashed, and the buyers have dominated on the last hour of the market. And any retest of this level and holding this level, then Infosys may show its up move today. If it gaps up to this level, no trade. If it moves like this, opening bell without retesting, then it will be a no trade. Gap up will not be a no trade, and you can anticipate for a down move, and you can take a reversal trade in the INFY. So to trade, if it is a buying opportunity, it will come down like this, or if it goes up like this straight away and comes down. If it is a quick movement, then a market may show this type of dozy type of candle on this day. Probably it can do this type of dozy type of candle formation, and it's a if it forms like this, you will have two-way opportunity in the INFY on an intraday trade. Suppose if it ends like that and this dozy leads to the reversal, the market may start reversing for the INFY from here up to 1500. It can start its early move, reversal move. It can do that. So a reversal is noticed in the INFY. You people also track this Infosys on intraday basis. Do not hurry yourself, traders. Patience always pays.